The formula for the sum of the interior angle measures of a polygon can also be used for concave polygons. To do this, however, requires introducing reflex angles, and those are angles whose degree measures are greater than 180 degrees. For instance, the concave polygon to the right has an interior angle that is greater than 180 degrees. There is an angle that is 230 degrees, which is more than 180. Find the measures of the interior angles of this polygon. So first, figure out what type of polygon do we have. If we count, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. So this is a hexagon. So the sum has got to be 180 times 4, which is 720 degrees. Okay. And now we have our angles on the inside are x, 3x, and 5x. So we go in order. We have x plus 3x plus 3x plus 3x plus x, and then plus the reflex angle that is 5x. That comes out to be 720 degrees. So 3 plus 3 plus 3 is 9, then 10, 11, I guess that's 16x equals 720. Okay. And then 16 goes into 720. Looks like 5 is too much, so I guess we go 4. And that would be remainder 8. Bring the 0 down. 16 goes into 85 times. So 720 divided by 16 is 45. That would mean that x is 45 degrees. And so the lower left and the lower right are both 45 degree angles. And then we have 3 of those 3 times x. 3 times 45 is 135 degrees. So these would be obtuse angles. And then we have 5 times 45 degrees. And that'd be 5 times 40 is 200. 200 plus 25 is 225 degrees. And that's more than 180. So the angle measures are 45, 135, and 225. All right, let's try one more. The reflex angles at each of the 5 inward points of the star shown have 3 times the measure of the angles on the outward points. Okay. What is the measure of the angles at each point of the star? So the star is made up of x's and 3 x's. And if I count, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 10 sides. So the sum is going to be 180 times 10 minus 2, so 180 times 8. So 180 times 2 is 360, times 2 is 720, times 2 again is 1,440 degrees. So I know that these have to add up to 1,440. And that's going to be x, 2, 3, 4, 5 x's, and then 5 of these 3 x's. Well, 5 times 3x is 15x plus 5 more x. That's going to equal to 20x. And that means that I can divide by 10. So 144 is equal to 2x, or 72 is equal to x. So the points, the acute angles are 72 degrees. And then 3x is going to be 3 times 72. That'd be 216 degrees. So the angles of this star either are made up of 72 degrees and 216 degree angles.